This is the first time the girls have gone through a car wash. Well, they've gone with their friends, but not with me because I prefer handmade car wash. What are you talking about, girl? I prefer to wash my car. I prefer to wash my car myself. So let's see, I've not done this before. So we're going in. Girls, this is Disney World. You're going to Disney. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, the lady said push the code. Okay, yeah. Are you guys excited? That's the entrance.
Do you have to like move or
No, I just have to push in the code. So now it says buy car wash. Well, I've already bought it. Take a receipt. Enter the wash code.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Okay, let's go. Drive carefully. I hope it doesn't scratch my car. I hope it doesn't scratch my car. Woo! I gotta wind up. Everybody has the car. Is everything wind up? Oh, everything's wind. Stop. I stopped, so it's supposed to come. Why are you scared? I just don't want it to scratch my car. Ah! Okay, there we go. This is Disneyland. Yay! Yay! Okay, this is not Disneyland. It's not wet on you. It's coming back. It's coming back.
because you're It's really bad.
drying. Ooh. Now it's drying. Oh my gosh, it just messed up my car. Oh my gosh, it broke my car. Yeah. Like the thing there, see? It just broke my car. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. It's peeling off my car. Oh no. Like peeled it off.
It's like a new car.
Yeah, it's nice and clean, but it peeled off my car. Oh my gosh, this is like, was it fun?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, but then it peeled off my car. Look at that. Is a car wash supposed? I never go through car washes, but look at that. Oh my goodness.